Bake Sip Chat. I'm Carolyn.
I'm Kim.
And today we're going to make
chocolate brownies with peanut butter frosting.
That sounds delicious.
Doesn't it?
Do you have the milk ready?
I've got milk.
Because if you're gonna have brownies with peanut butter frosting, get your milk ready.
That's right, folks. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Everybody set?
Ready.
Ready, bake.
All right. First ingredient is half a cup of melted butter.
Ooh.
Carolyn,
Back to the melted butter.
do you want to add in the butter?
Do I always want to add in the butter? Yes, I do.
Oh, you're so nice.
I like your little pot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, melted butter's in. Now let's do our 1 cup of white sugar.
Gotta make it sweet.
Okay, 1 cup of white sugar.
Check.
We're gonna put the mixer down and cream the butter and the sugar.
Are you locked?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Not yet, yep.
All right.
This is easy. The mixer's like, I can handle sugar and butter. And then we're gonna add a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Just gonna eyeball it.
Yep, that'll work. That's
Is that
perfect.
good? Okay.
Good job, you're getting so much better.
Thank you. Thank you.
Adding that vanilla, girl.
What's next?
Next is 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
So we're gonna turn that off a second here.
All right.
Let's get it cracking.
Let's get it cracked. Crack-a-lacking them eggs.
Yep.
You
I'll
go first. Yeah. so don't go right on over you.
You should have got a bigger dish.
That's
okay though.
That's all right. We can share.
A flying egg.
You're dangerous, Kimberly.
I know. I try not to be.
All right.
Okay, go ahead and add those in.
Okay. So now we're gonna put them in one at a time?
Yep.
Do you want to start mixing first?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's start
I'm
mixing.
poised and ready.
Good job.
Thanks. I usually tend to try to get them one at a time and I wind up flopping both. They get away from me now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that
Wait.
mixed enough?
Wait.
No. Okay.
Wait.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Now. Ready, set, go. Yeah, buddy.
Whipping it good.
Dance party in there.
Whip it.
Whip it
real
good.
good. Yeah.
Get it. Get it, eggs.
What did we do before these KitchenAid mixers?
We didn't.
We just did everything by hand.
Yeah.
Like our grandmas.
Yep. With a spoon.
Yeah. Sure did. That looks beautiful.
It's coming together.
Next, we're gonna add the cocoa powder. Going in.
Is this unsweetened?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
All right, Karen.
Oh, it's my turn.
Go ahead.
All right. Just dump it all in?
Yep.
Oh, so
Dump
rebellious.
that powder
The whole
mixture.
thing.
See that puff of smoke? Now we're gonna go ahead and mix the half a cup of cocoa powder.
We're gonna make it chocolatey. I always feel like cocoa powder's never gonna make it. Like it's never gonna incorporate, and then it does.
I know.
And then it's chocolate magic.
Maybe.
It's getting there. It's getting there. It's coming.
Whew, I was having a panic attack for a moment.
Don't panic. We
Look
know
at
what
that.
we're doing.
It's magic, just like the shirt.
Oh yeah, magic.
Good choice of clothes, Carolyn.
Yeah, right? We needed it. Throw a little magic in there.
Oh, look at that heaven in a bowl.
Okay, so what do we have here?
We have flour.
Oh, good. How much?
A half a cup.
A half a cup. All right, I'm gonna let you do that.
Okay.
Since you're closest.
All right.
All right.
Half a cup flour going
Here we
in.
go.
Whoa, I didn't even make a mess.
Good job.
Aren't you
Well, yeah.
proud of me?
You probably didn't make it yet.
Half a cup of flour. Let's stir that in.
Mixy, mixy.
While we mix
Okay.
our flour here,
Yeah.
let's add in our 1 teaspoon of baking powder
1 teaspoon baking powder going in.
and a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt. All right. Is that a good pinch?
A little bit more.
Well,
Don't be shy.
don't be stingy.
Okay, there we go.
Is that too much?
That's perfect.
That's perfect.
Add it in
One
there.
perfect pinch going in.
Look at that.
Oh, I wish
I
you guys
smell
could smell
chocolate.
this. That is going to be tasty.
We're all mixed.
Get it out and stir it up.
Okay.
Scrape our sides.
Yes, and let's
Oh,
get our
that
pan
looks
ready
good.
here. Our 8x8 pan.
Is it just me or do you just want to eat the batter?
Oh, I always want to lick.
Just want to eat the batter.
Oh, look at this.
That was the best part about being a kid.
Oh yeah.
My son doesn't happen
Happy.
to like brownies.
That's good. That's
But that's
more
nice
for you.
because I don't have to fight anyone for the spoon or the bowl.
Exactly.
My husband doesn't like them. The brownies are for me.
It's you and the
Let's
brownies.
be honest.
It's a chocolate.
I've
love
made
affair.
them for me. But I'm not mad about that, so it's okay.
Pour it into our pan here.
So we've got an 8x8 pan that is lined and sprayed.
Yep.
We're gonna get all that gooey batter in there.
All this chocolatey heaven. Hold on. I got
So you
more.
don't slide away.
I got more. Come in here.
And just work it in.
Work it in,
Spread
baby.
it out.
All corners.
Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta be nice to brownie batter. It's sensitive.
good to us. Do, do, do.
Alright.
Look at that, and just kind of
Just smooth it out.
Oh yeah.
Looking good.
Now we're going to be putting it in the oven, convection bake at 325 for 20 minutes.
Let me help you.
Thanks, Carolyn. All right. Be good to us, brownies.
Yes. We're
Bake,
excited.
bake, bake.
We're looking forward to you.
Set the timer for 20 minutes.
Okay, so we're going to make the peanut butter frosting while our brownies are cooking.
Yep.
So we're gonna need 1 cup of peanut butter. Throw that in here.
This is the good part.
Throw gently. Go in there. Do that for a second. Okay. So now we're gonna add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Just plop that right on it.
Carolyn, I can't believe you just did it.
Why? It's me. Of course that's what I do.
Oh my God, that was hilarious.
A cup of powdered sugar, maybe plus a pinch if you throw it all over the counter first. Thank you.
This is what aprons are for.
Yep, we're not always clean here on Bake
We
Sip Chat.
are clean, people. We are clean.
And we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of salted butter. Most recipes have unsalted. We don't roll that way. We like salted butter. So we're gonna add that in. And then we're gonna cream this together gently so we don't
Yes, let's
lose any more powdered
practice.
sugar. Yeah,
Slow.
there we go.
Slow.
There we go. It is thick. It will get less thick once we add our cream.
Oh yeah.
Takes a little bit of time, but we'll get there. Alright, I'm gonna add in some of the vanilla.
Okay.
We need
And that would
just
be-
about a half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Yep.
Let's pour that right on in.
Perfect. A little bit more.
Never hurt anyone.
Enough.
No. And while you're working away, we'll add in our cream to try to get it loosened up. Whoa, hey.
Slow down,
Don't
Kim.
hurt me. All right.
Goodness
There you have it.
gracious. Oh yeah. Oh, it's coming.
It's creaming. There we go. Work it, baby. Work
Oh
it.
yeah.
The little mixer that can.
Oh, smell that peanut butter.
Good.
Oh, look, it's turning like a lighter.
Yeah,
shade.
it's super light color. I'm gonna add in 1 pinch of salt, just a little bit.
A little bit goes a long way.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, our brownies are
Brownies are
ready.
done.
Going in. Going in. Check our brownies here. Make sure they're done. Stick a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out a little moist, that's perfect. We are ready to go.
Looking good, brownies.
Okay, we're gonna let those sit there for a minute and cool off while we finish our frosting.
We're going to add a little more cream and get the salt mixed in. Finish this off while we can get to our brownies.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Ready.
All right, make it happen. Oh, it smells
Look
so
at that. It's like art in there.
Art. Nice ripples. I said ripples.
Look at that. Look at those peaks.
I know.
Look at
It's
those
nice
peaks.
and stiff.
Yep.
but not overbeaten. You don't want to overbeat it.
We are ready to
I could
frost.
just eat that with a spoon.
Okay, you want to just
Just give me that. Beaters for
We'll
me.
lick the beaters later. Our brownies are cooled, Carolyn.
They're ready for that frosting.
Let's put it on.
Yep. Put a dollop on at a time. Lay it on there.
Or a plop.
Plop it on, sister. The
We're
more
just
the
gonna-
merrier.
We're just gonna spread it. We're gonna spread the
If
love.
nothing else, you just call it rustic. And it's
you-
all good.
You want to use all of your frosting.
All the frosting. Whatever you got, that's what you're working with. And then you just go in with your spatula and smooth it on out.
You're a good spreader.
Well,
Good
thank you.
job. Do you want to do all the edges too, or just the inside?
I'm a more of a inside person. You can go as far as you like, but I like a little bit of a handle on my brownies, so
that's
I don't,
true. Make
I
a
don't
mess.
coat myself in all the tasty things. I like to try to look
This-
like I'm putting it together.
Good job. You're
you.
doing very well.
Why, thank you so much, sister friend.
Yep. Here, I'll do the.
Oh, you want to do that side?
I'll do the last
All right.
little fancy.
She's good for the
spread.
finishing edge.
Check
She's
it
fancier than I am. That looks so good.
Oh yeah.
That looks perfect.
We're gonna cut into the brownies because we gotta try them.
Okay, you get that? I'll grab our milk.
Okay. Grab our milk.
Grab the milks. Because if you're gonna have chocolate brownies with peanut butter frosting,
You need
it's
milk.
very important.
Would you like
Can
the
I have
corner?
that? Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say.
I'm a corner person.
You're a corner girl.
Yep. I like the corners. They're nice and
That's
chewy.
okay. I like the insides.
All right. Well, that's why we're a good team.
I know.
I'll be the corner, you be the inside.
Aww.
Cheers.
Look at that, you guys.
Good layer of frosting.
That is thick. That's what you want.
Yep.
A little bit of brownie, more frosting. Cheers.
All the things.
Our brownies kissed.
Oh my.
Oh. Oh my God.
That peanut butter frosting is insane.
That is too much.
Oh my God, that leaves me speechless.
Go with a little milk.
A little milk. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Please make these soon. They're so good.
Thanks for joining.
Yeah. We'll see you again soon. Bye.
Let's plug this in so we know it works. Sorry. Oh my God. I'm dangerous. Because I have to take off every little piece because it annoys me. Sorry. I just do.
You can do this. I just gotta go in there.
Okay.
We're so close. Oh.
Perfect.
Okay.
I need a drink.